Alright, so it's mail call day, outgoing and incoming. And to start this portion of the show, this is an iPhone 7/8 case. I ordered two of these off of Amazon, or I ordered one. They sent me two, and they didn't want this one back. So this is going out to one of our $1 patrons who was the first one to comment on it. This is a brand new Phobos holster for Glock 19, 17, 22, 23, so forth and so on. What it is not is a holster for a Walther PK380, which is my wife's handgun, which is what I ordered. So thank you, Amazon. Good job. So this is going out to one of our $5 patrons. And then over here we have a loot box that's going out to our the gentleman that won the raffle on Patreon of the $5 at the $5 level for the loot box each month. So it's right down there, and I'm not going to show you what's in it because that'll be on him to unpack it when he gets it, and then he has to post in the community section, hey, this is what I got. Here, I got you some tape.
I hold.
Okay, you hold. That's fine. And so, I hold. Okay. And so my lovely and talented assistant slash wife is over here, and you're putting together goodie bags for your ER people, right? Not emergency room, essential rewards. So you got 4 goodie bags going out. These are going in the mail to your essential rewards people,
yeah,
who are your teammates on your Young Living
right.
essential oil stuff that you do. And that has, do they know what's in it?
Well, I mean, we talked about it, but like, I wanted it to be kind of a surprise.
You wanted it to be kind of a surprise, okay. But that's full of like actual value that you made yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, you made this stuff
really
yourself.
Cute.
They're super cute.
I like them.
So,
which is also a great Christmas
yeah,
idea.
that's a good point. Okay.
Just saying.
Cool. So that's the outgoing stuff. $1 raffle, $5 raffle, $5 loot box, and then the essential rewards people is all outgoing today. And then we'll show you what's come in recently. Actually, while we're here, I'll show you this. This hat, somebody sent to the Texas house. I have no idea why, because it was not even addressed to me. However, I want to show you something, okay? This is a Home Depot hat. I like it. Check this out. See this? Watch this. Bye-bye, Condor. Hello, Home Depot. Watch this. You ready? You ready? It's this little paquete. It works great, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. It's tremendous. You can see we script everything around here. There we go. See that? Check that out. So you got a pen up here. So this was not addressed to me, but clearly I was meant to have this. So this is cool. I like that a lot. And let's see. Yeah, that hat is, I dig it. So that was, I guess, by the conspiring of the universe, showed up at my address as a Home Depot rewards box to some guy I've never heard of. And I was like, okay, I'll take it. Next, what else came in the mail? Oh, thank you, baby. Come over here. This I got for my wife, and we had a brother who was here, and he had something similar to this, but so I got my wife one, and I was like, you know what, if she likes it, awesome. If she doesn't, we'll give it away on Patreon. This is a Schrade. You guys can barely see that. The lighting's not great. This is a Schrade. This is not like Kydex. It's just plastic, like fiber reinforced thermoplastic, but not bad. But it's a Schrade fixed blade knife. It has very positive retention. This is the SCHF59 fixed blade knife. She's gonna do a review on this, but it's a good little knife. It's like 25 bucks on Amazon. I'm like, you know what? For 25 bucks, We'll try it out. It's sharp, but not surgical out of the box, which is good because some people send you knives and it's like, okay, I'll just spend 20 minutes putting an edge on that. And it's got this little retention thing in here on the sheath for a fire steel, which it comes with, and it comes with a striker as well, built into the sheath. So very bushcrafty. Giant belt loop on the sheath, probably a 3 1/4 inch belt loop on there. So I don't know how great that would be. I can see with the retention, if this was in your belt, the retention's so good that every time you go to yank the knife out, this is gonna slide up and down on your belt. But it looks like the sheath is drilled in such a way, if you wanted to put a $10 tech lock on there, you could, or you could just tie this into some molly with some 550 paracord or whatever. But we got that, like 25 bucks. That showed up, so that was good stuff. Oh, this stuff is really good, and I'm not bragging on it yet. I'm gonna do a full review on it, but my brother, who shall remain nameless for the right now, sent us this. This is Carbon 60 with olive oil, and this stuff, heavenlyc60.com. It's supposed to do lots of things for you. Basically, the carbon absorbs like all the free radicals floating around in your body that are making you feel like junk, detoxifies you and all that. But I've been using that in conjunction with PTing my fat butt into the ground every morning, and I feel really good. Oh, hey, for me, thank you. Yeah. So, good way to leave the knife by the baby, T. Yeah. So anyway, that Heavenly C60 stuff is really good. I'm gonna do a full review on it, and I like it. I like it. I feel good. You gonna wash hands? Not right now. We gotta go to town. But we gotta spin this video camera around and show all the stuff that one brother sent to us. You're crazy. Wash hands. You wanna wash hands?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wash hands? Maybe.
Hi.
Maybe. Okay, stand by. Go put the trash by the front door. Go. Go.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it? Okay. Go put it by the front door. Please.
I got it.
Okay, you got it? So, yeah, another brother. You're crazy, man. We love you, but you're crazy. Sent us 8 giant packages, 3.25 pounds. So that's what, 26-ish pounds of taters. 8 of these giant things of potatoes for eating / food storaging. And let's see. And he sent this thing, the kitchen crop. It grows sprouts, fresh sprouts in 2 to 4 days. It's like a seed starter. It's pretty cool. And a roto-zip power tools. Heck yeah. This is like your Dremel's big brother. This thing is cool. Thank you, brother. And some wire right here. You can make snares or fix a broken exhaust hanger or repair fence or whatever. You're coming? Okay. A bar of soap because apparently I smell bad. Duke Cannon getting washed out in the sunlight. Big ass brick of soap. Smells like productivity. Child, you're killing me. And I'm getting a hint here, brother. A tub faucet? Tub spout? Thank you. I will shower, I promise you. 3 flexible supply lines for a hot water heater. I'm gonna take a shower, I promise.
We're gonna build you an outdoor shower.
An outdoor shower.
Yeah.
A 2 5/16 ball for a ball hitch. And a steel brand aluminum splitting wedge, which has seen good use, but I'm happy to give it more good use. Thank you. Thank you. You gonna put this back in there? Ooh. Okay, here. Oh, you're gonna keep that? Okay. That's fine. And off the floor. And you guys have seen this on other videos, but it should go mentioned. Oh, look at Harlan's. Look at this thing. This is Harlan's first place Veterans Day poster. And so you see here, he put him an A-10 in, and a boat and a submarine. And he's got a guy over here working the flag. And then it says, "Thank you, soldiers and veterans, for serving our country to protect our people." And then down here, he's got an A-10, nuclear submarine, Recon Marines, Iwo Jima, Army Special Forces, UH-60, MRAP, Brownwater Navy, an F-22, a Spooky, machine gunner, M1A1 Abrams, A2 Abrams, and an F-117. Oh, and a carrier. So I don't know why he won first place. I can't imagine why he would win first place with all of that awesomeness, but he did. And my lord and my lady took pity on me and bought me this Carhartt coat, for which I'm very thankful. I'll tell you, it's a strange feeling to have a new Carhartt coat on, but thank you very much. And they brought me 4 pounds of coffee as well. So you guys know how much I love coffee. So that was awesome. Thank you guys. And I really don't know why all of y'all feel compelled to send us stuff and give us stuff and just rain blessings down upon us, but you do, and for that I am thankful. So thank you. Shalom. Mama, you got anything to add? No. Yeah, it's a quick mail call, but there's a lot of stuff. And I always feel like I'm forgetting something, and I probably am, but I don't know. It'll be okay. Anyway, you guys are awesome. Have a great rest of your day. Shalom.